G'day, Glenn from Wurth, and I've got our top-up screw pack for Cyber Week. Okay, we've got 2 boxes of our ammo timber connects with a washer flathead. Beautiful screw, fantastic for pre-drilling and then fixing bottom plates of your frame straight into concrete. Great advantage with these two as opposed to an anchor bolt is if you need to move the wall, move the frame, reversible, straight back in. Great product. We also have a box of our Series 3 ammo screw, great for fitting and installing windows, 70mm. Beautiful screw, all purpose. Also included with our ammo screws are our masonry drill bits, SDS, quadro end, very strong, durable, 6.5 and a 6mm. The beauty of the quadro end is you will not snap the end if you happen to hit a bit of Rio in the slab or in the wall. Also in the pack we have 2 boxes of our all-purpose, widely known as batten screw. These are an ASSY screw, 80mm and 100mm. All up 500 screws in the pack, 4 SDS masonry drill bits. Okay, so there's our top-up screw pack for Cyber Week. Series 4, 2 packs. Series 3 of the ammos, 1 pack, and 2 packs of our ASSYs in 2 sizes, 100s and 80s. Don't forget our masonry drill bits. We get 4, 2 6.5s and 2 6s. So this pack is available online only. If you have any questions, please add to our comments. This pack is ready for work.